This beautiful house is now for sale. Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antal Grand Village and Anyana. And for today's video, i-feature ko ngayon sa inyo itong napakalaking bahay na ito na ngayon po is now for sale. So this house is our Victoria model located in a lot area, in a corner lot of 287 square meters and with a floor area of 215 square meters. Alright, samahan nyo ako, i-feature natin itong napakagandang bahay na ito, which is our Victoria model dito po sa Antal Grand Village, Grand Forbes. Alright, umpisahan na po natin. Alright, welcome to Antal Grand Village, Grand Forbes. So for today's video, i-feature natin naman si Victoria model, which is our model house and which is now for sale. This Victoria model house located in a corner lot which has 287 square meters with a floor area of 215 square meters. So this house is fronting in a water fountain and near in the guardhouse. And look at the facade of this house, para kang nasa Espanya. Alright, so ikutin natin itong bahay na ito. So this house po is, it has a 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 1 den, and 3 toilet and bath. And this is the actual house turnover. Alright, ikutin natin yung gilid. So bago kayo makapasok sa bahay, so you have this car garage. And look at the steps. Ang ganda. And mamaya ikutin natin dun sa gilid at later on, subukan natin kung kaya pang maglagay ng isang pool area. Alright, as we enter, wow, hi! She's the owner of this unit. Wow, this is our Victoria model house. So the Victoria model house, so this is the foyer area. And this house is very good because it is a high ceiling house. Look at that. Ang ganda. And even the flooring naka-interior din, no? Pati yung ating pinaka-flooring area. And since this house is now for sale, all items, no, all furnitures inside this unit are kasama doon sa binibenta. And of course, since this is our ready for occupancy house, this is the floor plan. Okay. And look, napakaganda ng iyong dining area. This is your dining area. And this is your kitchen area. Look at that. You have built-in cabinet. And sa likod nito, meron ka pang lanay area. And later on, ikutan po natin. Yes, dito po sa ground floor, you have this office or den. And look at the flooring. Ang ganda. Wow. And even the ceiling po is naka-interior na siya. Actually, this is our best-selling house dito po sa Antal Grand Village, Grand Forbes. And itong room na ito, pwede rin siyang convertible into room, no? Bedroom. Na kapag may mga kasama kayong mga elderly na hindi na nakakaakyat sa itaas. So this room po is very good para hindi sumakit yung kanilang mga joints. And look at the interior, ang ganda. Okay? So dito po sa ibaba, you have this common CR. Look at this. Huh? Wow. Yeah. And look at this. You have this also a wine area. Ito po sa ibaba. And ang ganda po, no? With a lot area of 286 square meter and with a floor area of 215, ang luwag ng bahay na ito. Wow. Okay, so akit tayo sa itaas, no? Punta tayo ng second floor. This is the stairs. Wow, look at this. Guys, huwag nyo po itong skip, ha? Kasi makikita nyo po ang napakagandang bathtub dito po sa loob ng master's bedroom. Wow, look at this. Ang ganda, pati ang ceiling mo, ganyan na siya. Wow. Dito po sa itaas, meron kang 3 bedrooms. So this is 1 bedroom. Look at this. Wow. Tapos po, dito po sa bedroom na to, meron kang balcony. Check natin yung balcony. You have this balcony. And look at that. Ang breeze. Actually po ngayon dito sa Antel, napakalamig. Okay? Check naman natin yung second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Wow, look at this. Wow, ang ganda. Sana all merong itong bahay. Ganda. And even the cabinets are included na po. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Dito po sa itaas, meron kang common toilet and bath. Look at this. Wow, ang wide. Ang laki ng toilet and bath. And meron ka pang, and look at the lavatory. Wow, mayroon pa siya. Para ka talagang nasa hotel. Check naman natin ang master's bedroom. Wow, dito sa taas meron kang hallway. At saka, kapag nandyan yung mga bisita mo, luto na po yung pagkain. Kain na po kayo. Wow, ang sarap. O di kaya sabihin nyo, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, ibaba mo yung iyong buhok. Wow, ang ganda. And this is the master's bedroom. Wow, look at this. Very, very nice. Even the ceiling at ang laki ng master's bedroom. Look at this. Wow, hindi pa po natatapos dyan kasi you have the access, no? Going to the balcony. And look at this. Wow. This house is now for sale. At napakalaki po ang makakabili nito because fronting po ito sa ating water fountain and then facing pa po siya sa ating guardhouse. And you have this walk-in closet. Wow, dito sa master's bedroom, meron kang isang walk-in closet. And sa master's bedroom, you have this very, very nice toilet and bath with bathtub. And look at this. Wow, iba na. Iba na talaga ang ganda ng pag-Victorian model. Wow, look at this. Para even the side. Wow, look at that. Even the ceiling, look at this. Wow. Oh, sana all makakabili ng bahay ng ganito, no? Sana all merong bahay na ganito. Alright. Check naman natin yung ating balcony. Okay. Wow, guys. Very, very nice. Okay. Ito talagang hindi matatawaran dito, guys. Sa lamig ng hangin. Look at that, no? Ang ganda. And then, napakalapit lang talaga ito sa airport. And ayun lang po yung airplane ng Singaporean Airlines. I think, oh, ayan, Singapore Airlines. Wow, look at that. Kaya mostly po dito sa Antal Grand Village ang mga buyers natin more on mga pilots and mga businessmen. And look at this. So ito yung location ng Grand Forbes Victoria model. And look at the balcony dito po sa itaas. Wow, ang ganda. And then meron ka pa dito isang area pa. Wow, actually dun sa ibaba meron ka pa ring lanay area. Wow. And take note po na this Grand Forbes po is napakalapit lang niya sa main entrance, main highway, because ito pong VCE Street, yan po yung ating commercial area. And dito sa Grand Forbes, may sarili po itong clubhouse. And kung gusto nyo pong bilhin itong unit na ito, guys, message nyo lang po ako din para po doon sa computation. And of course, no, kung gusto nyo po makita ito ng actual, we do site tripping. And the same thing po, at kung gusto nyo po itong bilhin, no, nasa abroad kayo, well guys, madali lang din po. So online reservation tayo. nito pong Victoria model. Dahil napaka-kaunti na lang po ng available ng units natin dito. So this house po is available siya through bank financing, deferred payment at saka cash term. Kapag po binili niyo po itong bahay na ito as deferred, so bago niyo po ma-occupy yung unit na to, so at least naka-payment kayo ng 50% of this house. So ang total contract price nito, including the furnitures, the landscape, at lahat ng nasa loob ng bahay. So ang total price nito po is kasama transfer ng title nasa 29 million pesos. So kung ma-occupy niyo po itong unit na ito, so half of the 29 yun po ang ibabayad niyo, then para po ma-occupy niyo po yung bahay na ito. Then the 50% balance po is through post-dated checks. And also, we offer this house bank financing. No? Bank financing po, 20% lang po ang down payment nito. Then, yung 80% ito po ipapasok natin sa bank. So, once nabayaran nyo na po yung 20% na down payment, plus yung 80% po may letter of guarantee tayo and loan proceeds from the bank, then give us 30 days para i-turn over naman sa inyo yung unit na ito. Alright, kung gusto mo naman po sariling design dito sa Antel, pwede pong bumili ng lot only. And of course, we have 20 model units na mga Zen type and modern style. Kung namamahalan kayo dito at nalalakihan kayo dito, or kung kaya naman ng budget na ito guys, pwede po tayong mag-site tripping. So anyway, Ray Mili, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village in Anyana, and thank you so much for the time. Dahil sa 11 minutes po ang video natin na ito. At ang description nito nandito lang po sa below. So, check nyo lang po para makuha nyo po yung messenger natin. Thank you so much and God bless. See you in my next video.